Hello my friends and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank on the PlayStation 5. We are here on the planet Gaspar. So what do we have to do here?
Ratchet dreamed of riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
Okay, and then we can go over there. Cool. Okay, what is... Okay, I can go down here. What is here? Oh! Wow! Okay. Maybe we try this one. Yeah, that's better.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Not open yet.
Ratchet, perhaps the turret could help blast through that door.
Oh, okay.
Great. Reinforced door. Why does everything have to be made of dense alloy?
Oh,
I will try not to be offended by that.
don't stay in the way. Okay.
Crates, you dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates?
I see we have business. It's the latest crop of galactic morons. I hope you like my facility, because you're never ever leaving!
Are you sure?
Mr. Zircon.
Have I missed something here? What's
Fight
about...
like an infant blurred fly.
Okay. Hello. Oh. Who are you? Hey. Oh, it's not long enough or what? Yeah.
Shooting my doors! Those are custom
Oh,
made.
oh my god. Oh, those are big ones.
Warbots are down. Come on, we better keep moving.
Okay, good. Oh, almost. That's a big gun here. Okay, so what's next?
Huh?
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
Oh boy, out of
Oh.
ammo.
Okay.
Why are these imbeciles still alive? Then go strike right teams to Sector 3 and annihilate them before I lose my faces!
Okay, let's grab the other stuff here first.
Zircon equals die, die, die. These are the moments, Mr.
Okay, what else do we have?
You thought you had seen the blast.
I'm getting a fusion grenade, come on. Oh my god! Oh, wow, 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 wow. Oh. But be careful. Oh no. Okay. Not enough careful. Okay, wait, wait, wait.
Mr. Zircon is here. Mr. Zircon is looking to kill him.
Out of ammo. Come on.
Have you been killed by Mr. Zircon yet? I should let you live, little alien. Sigh.
Oh, I can't hit. Okay, maybe we keep this. Oh yeah. Can we shoot this down? I don't think so. No.
A galactic range! Let's do it!
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Oh no, more
Oh!
enemies.
Mr. Zircon,
More of them.
Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Here! Oh! I can't shoot at this guy. No, shit. Oh no! Okay. Oh, come on.
Incoming dropship.
Shit, I can't. But he can't hit me as well, but that's good. Okay, he can't hit me at the moment. Come on. Oh!
Ratchet, be careful. More warbots are approaching.
those grind boots?
A tripad lock. In order to bypass it, the duo would have to quickly activate all 3 pressure pads.
What do I have to do? What?
Cool! Grind boot!
And that completely unlikely
cool.
location is where Ratchet found a shiny new pair of grind boots. With his grind boots strapped on, Ratchet leapt onto the rail.
Whoa!
Still on the hunt for the jetpack, Ratchet used his newfound grind boots to explore the planet further.
What is this here? Jetpack required, okay.
Hey, do me a favor and buy something, will you? I make a few more sales, and I win a set of steak. I did it.
Okay, let me check upgrades. I like to upgrade Mr. Zurkon actually. Okay, because I really find him very handy, to be very honest. We have this already? No. We have everything now. No, this one. Okay, now he's complete full, or is there something missing? No, that's it. Okay, cool. Then, let's move on here.
Ratchet stylishly leapt onto the rail next to him.
Okay, so this game is just great, really. My expectation for the... Oh. So my expectation for the next Ratchet and Clank is actually very high, I have to say. And I hope I'm not getting disappointed.
Have you been killed by Mr. Zurkon yet?
Hey, lumber! Come here. Don't worry. I'm a friend.
Who is this?
I know who you are. You're the Lombax and the Warbot from the news.
Oh, and you must be the faceless minion helping Drek terrorize the galaxy.
That's just my day job. My real passion is in amateur neuroscience. I've been collecting brains from telepathopuses as a hobby for about a year now.
You collect brains as a hobby? I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you're single.
Studying brains is a noble pursuit. If I can tap into the psychic powers of these telepathopuses, I'll be able to raise an army. Then we'll see who thinks they can steal my food out of the company fridge. I mean, I can contribute to the good of all blog kind. Say, if you can collect a few telepathopus brains for me, I'll give you this jetpack.
Okay, trade 10 brains for a jetpack.
Ugh, this
Okay, we
is
need this
disgusting.
stuff. Okay.
You got
Oh,
one.
wow.
Nice work.
Oh.
Hello, stinky aliens. These are the ones Mr. Zurkon lives for.
Hey, who are you? Oh, we need all
Ratchet would be able to
jetpacks
use this
for here.
refueling station as soon as he collected the jetpack.
Oh. Oh my god, oi, oi, oi. Where's my... No, 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 don't. Jump, jump, go away.
Do you remember Mr. Zircon?
Hey, unbelievable, wow, okay.
Hello, Stinky Aliens.
Down.
Ah, okay, so what do we have to do? Okay, we have 6
Mr.
brains.
Zircon is bored.
Where's my... Where do I have to go? Oh. Oh, no, no! What I'm doing? Oh. Okay, wait.
This area is crawling with
Oh, we're starting here again.
Bring me a
That's
few
not
of their
nice.
brains, and the jetpack's yours.
Come on, what is the... I'm pressing the wrong button. What was the button for this one? Oh, okay, yeah.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Yeah, Mr. Zircon is very good actually. Really, I like him.
These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
Just a few more.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance. Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony of peace. I shall
Oh, hello.
decide Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
You did it! Come on back. The jetpack is yours.
Oh, hey. Can I shoot you? Oh! Oh no, I thought he will attack us. I'm very sure this is a... We have to fight against this guy. Okay, where are we going back here?
A deal's a deal. Here you go. I tell you what. I actually have a top secret Drek Industries info pact. If you bring me a few more brains, I might be willing to part with it.
You really have a thing for brains, don't you?
Yes, I do. And with that jetpack, Ratchet became the
Okay.
aerial scourge of 1,000 worlds. Or at least his community.
Oh, okay, cool.
Ratchet used the jetpack to fly high above hostile territory. The telepathopus brain is a wondrously complex organ. I might have to write a paper about it.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
Oh, see, I told you.
You fight like an infant bird god.
Okay, wait, Where's my Mr. Zircon, huh?
Zircon cannot be destroyed.
Oh.
One little dead little aliens. Four little
Oh, whoa,
little
whoa.
dead little aliens.
Oh, wow. No, don't move. Hey.
Oh boy.
Oh, okay.
Ammo.
Okay, this was... I was getting brains, huh? Oh,
Hey, you've got a lot of raritanium. Well, come see me for an upgrade.
yeah, but where I'm going over there.
Why do you hide, sneaky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes
Nice.
to kill you.
Need some
Oh.
nanotech.
Yeah, I know.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed.
Okay, then we can go over there.
One little, two little, dead little aliens. 4 level 5.
Damn it, I don't have anything. Oh, whoa, 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 no, 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 no.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed.
Wow, I have no energy anymore.
I've done a lot of difficult things in my life, but by far the most difficult has been trying to say the word telepathopus 10 times fast. I believe it is impossible. Telepathopus, 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 telepathopus. See?
Okay, he is level up, but I will not survive this probably here.
Mr. Zircon.
Hey, looks like
No. Okay, so let me just check. Ah, okay, cool. So that's my main island here actually, and this is all the little stuff. Yeah, okay.
Hey, I just realized! If I'm a scientist and I spend all my time studying brains,
wait.
I should introduce myself at parties as a brain scientist. That sounds much more impressive than a assistant Blarg outpost consultant.
Okay, then let's free this thing here.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. I shall let you live, little alien. Sign. Zircon lives only to kill. Greetings, soon-to-be dead alien.
Oh, damn. I'm not hitting with my... Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, this one.
Remember Mr. Zircon?
Yeah. Okay, we can go. Can we go over there? Okay, I need to be... You know, I need to know where is actually this, yeah, fill up for my jetpack. Because it's just 62%. I think there's...
Greetings. Didn't know what warned you about Mr. Zircon? Why do you hide?
Just a few more!
Only wishes for to
Oh, wow.
death. Is too stupid for Mr. Zircon. Hello, sneaky aliens. Didn't know what
Very
warned
good.
you
I
about
like Mr. Zircon.
These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
Okay, so now we are full here. And I would say we're going over there, or we're fighting this first. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Zircon, can you please fire?
Be dead, alien.
Hey, come closer, please.
I would be out there collecting brains myself, but my doctor told me I have a bad case of cow finger. I have no idea what that means, but he said to stand in one place as much as possible and it might heal itself. If I could just get people to stop
Come
trying
here,
to
come
tip me
closer.
over. Maybe I should get a second opinion.
Oh my god, I'm...
You are not fit to fight Mr. Zircon.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I have just fusion grenades left. One more time. No, don't move! Oh!
You thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zircon.
Anything what I can collect here? No. There's something. Okay, I should be able to... Come here! Come on. No, stay! Oh, okay. Let me grab the stuff here.
He's down.
4 little, 5 little, dead little aliens.
That's actually a very long level today. Okay, what do I have? The data.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Here, come here. Yes. What is this?
Why do you hide? This is for to kill you. Hello.
Oh, wow. No, no, no. Go away. You know, if I... Oh, hello. If I would knew this earlier that there's a turret... Can I hit this guy? No. Not really. Okay, so where are we going now? Over there.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Flee.
No one else in the galaxy is collecting
Uh-oh.
telepathopus brains. If my experiments succeed, I'll be leading the charge into a
No,
new
no, no, no.
frontier.
No,
All
no.
my
No, go
experiments
there.
will fail, and this
No.
will all be
Wow.
pointless. Either way, at least I'm keeping busy.
Okay.
You are not dead yet, Mr. Zircon. Mr. Zircon.
Oh my god. So what is he doing here, huh? Of course I can't hit him, huh? Oh, come on. No, no. No, we don't have anything. We don't have Mr. Zircon.
Oh boy.
No, oh!
Out of ammo.
Yeah, that's not good. That's actually really not good. Okay, can I get this guy closer here? Come on. What? He's gone. He's here. No, here. I'm almost sure I can't hit him here. No. He doesn't care at all. Okay, I have nothing. I need to go back and get new weapons, and then I can continue. Okay, but I will do this in the next episode. So I will go back and refresh or recharge, and I see you in the next episode, okay? See you, bye.